Hello, welcome back with a new drawing in Design Hub channel. You can see the drawing on the picture. There's a rib available, there's a hole available, there's a cross section available. So we can use the command like extrude, a rib command, subtract, all type of command we are use here. So there's a basic drawing. So first of all, the length is 60 from edge to the center of the hole. The width is 9 plus 12 plus 9, so there's a 30. And there's a cross section, like we further discuss about it, and the height is the 30 mm. And there's a hole available on the one side, so there's a radius is 7.5, so the diameter is 15, and you can see the width is 30, and there's a 18 mm length extend, so there's a center to edge of the starting of rib, there's a 18 mm, and you can see the rib, the width is 7 mm, and you can see the width of the object is 9 mm. Now let's start the drawing. First of all, we create a sketch. So select the sketch command, select the plane, and OK. First of all, we are going with the line. Select the origin point. The length is 60. You can see the drawing. So type 60, angle 0, and the width is 30 mm. So again, we are going with the line command. Select the point, length is 30 mm, angle is 90. Now we are going with the offset curve. Select the offset curve, select the line. The distance is the 60 mm, and OK. Now we are going with the line command. Select the line and connect with the dot. Now you can see the height is 30 and the 60 plus the 30 mm. So now select the circle. The diameter is 30 mm. Sometimes it's very difficult to select a point, so we can zoom and select the center point of the line, and again type you can see the circle. Now we are going to trim the unwanted line. So now you can see the first width is 9, so we can choose the trim command and cut the unwanted line. Now we are going with the extrude command. Select the extrude command, and the first of the height, the width is the 9 mm. Now again select the plane of the surface, select the line. You can choose the point of the edge of the half circle and again choose the line. You can see the 18 mm from the circle. So we create the rectangle 18 by 13 on the surface. The 30 mm diameter. So choose the trim command, cut the unwanted line, and now you can see the isometric view. The height is 27, so total is 30, so minus 9, so the 27. So we can choose the extrude command and the distance is 27, and we use the unite bundle. So you can see the drawing is ready for now further process. Now you can see on the drawing there's a hole on the top of the object with radius is 7.5. So select the sketch, select the plane, OK, select the circle command with a diameter of 15 and the radius is 7.5. Now we are going with the extrude command and tab is minus 30 and select the subtract, so you can see the result. Now we create the hole on the object. Now you can see the cutted part on the one side of the object. So select the plane, sketch, OK, and we are going with the line. Select the edge of one point and you can see the length is 9, the both side, and we connected with the two lines. So now the triangle is ready for cut. So we create the same on another line. We are going with the line 9 of length, the both side 9 mm, and again we are going with the two connected the line and we create this triangle for the cutting. So now we create the two triangle of the both side. So now extrude. Now going to extrude command and now subtract the triangle which are created, so you can see the result. Now hide the sketch line. Now you can see our 80% job are done. Now we are going the rib. To create the rib, you can see on the drawing the width is 7 mm and the triangle shape. So now first of all we choose the plane on the center and create the sketch on that plane. We are using the rip with the line command, so the simple method, like first of all top to bottom, like line command, and we create the triangle. You can see the simple method of create the rib. Now use the extrude command, and the width is 7 mm, so you can see the rib is completed, and we are going to hide the sketch line as well as plane, so our drawing is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.